Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024 Volkswagen Golf R. As we accelerate into 2024, the sport compact car market is brimming with exciting new models that promise a perfect blend of performance, agility, and everyday usability. Among the top contenders is the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R, a car that continues to set the standard for the segment with its exceptional performance and refined driving experience. 2024 Volkswagen Golf R, the pinnacle of performance. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf R stands out in the sport compact car category with its potent combination of power, precision, and practicality. Under the hood, the Golf R features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that generates an impressive 315 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This power is channeled through Volkswagen's advanced 4-motion all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and control in various driving conditions. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission, which caters to driving purists who appreciate direct engagement, and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that offers quick, seamless shifts. The Golf R's sophisticated chassis and adaptive suspension system provide a smooth and responsive ride, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway. The dynamic handling is further enhanced by the electronically controlled limited-slip differential, which improves cornering performance and stability. The exterior design of the 2024 Golf R is both aggressive and elegant, with sporty accents, a distinctive front grille, and signature alloy wheels that hint at its performance capabilities. Inside, the Golf R combines luxury with a driver-focused layout. The cabin features premium materials, including leather upholstery and carbon fiber accents, along with advanced technology such as a 10.25-inch digital cockpit display and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Volkswagen Golf R is a standout, it shares the spotlight with several other impressive sport compact cars for 2024. 2023 Honda Civic Type R, known for its precise handling and turbocharged 315 horsepower engine, the Civic Type R remains a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Hyundai Elantra N, with a 276 horsepower engine and adaptive suspension, the Elantra N offers a compelling mix of performance and value. Toyota GR Corolla, featuring a 300 horsepower turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive, the GR Corolla delivers a rally-inspired driving experience. Subaru WRX, combining a 271 horsepower turbocharged engine with all-wheel drive, the WRX offers versatile performance in various driving conditions. Conclusion. As we look ahead to 2024, the sport compact car market promises an array of exciting models that cater to both performance enthusiasts and everyday drivers. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf R stands out with its powerful engine, advanced all-wheel drive system, and luxurious interior, making it a top choice for those seeking an exhilarating yet practical driving experience. Whether you're drawn to the Golf R's refined performance or the unique features of its rivals, the best sport compact cars of 2024 are set to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.